What's good, Grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, let me ask you something. Would you like to earn money instantly? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $28 PayPal money instantly. If that sounds appealing to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $28 PayPal money instantly. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please hit that like button for me. It really helps out my channel. And YouTube like videos that have a lot of likes. And they consider that channel to be a live channel. And they're going to help that channel and support that channel. So if you want to help my channel to grow and help this video to be seen more and have my channel to be a live channel and not a dead channel, please hit that like button for me. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions for me today about this video. Now, before I get into this method, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I have a special bonus for you guys. And you need to watch this all the way to the very end so you know how you can earn that $28 PayPal money instantly. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. So let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet, and I'll tell you the name of this website in a moment. But this website allows you to make PayPal money instantly just doing some simple tasks. So it says here, why are we the best? Unlimited tasks. We are providing unlimited tasks to complete every day. Makes no limit to what you can make per day. Inviting friends. We're paying you to invite friends. Instant payments. Reach the minimum payment threshold and request your instant payment easily 24/7. And this is what they offer. Sign up tasks. So you get paid to subscribe to other websites and offers. Complete surveys. So you get paid to do surveys. You get paid to upload videos. You get paid to invite friends, make some good revenue doing that. And this is very unique. You get paid to write about them. So you write articles and post them and post about them or about us. So it says here, write articles and post about us and get paid for it. So you get paid to even write articles about them. All right, it says here, the amount of members on here are $463,000. I'm sorry, 463,000 members. Then they have completed tasks 3,922,000, and payment sent is 755,000. So this is a good little site to make some money. And from my knowledge, you can make up to $28 instantly PayPal cash with this site. So the name of this site is Paid Error. So if you're ready to make some PayPal money instantly, go to paiderror.com. All right, so now you know how to earn $28 PayPal money instantly. So go ahead and sign up with that website and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus. If you can direct your attention to the description below and check out where it says free money giveaway instructions. Just follow those instructions and you can be the next person to win some free money. Because what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to get to 2,500 subscribers. Once I get there, and whoever follows instructions, and I see that you're sharing this video, then I'm going to reward you or maybe 2 people with some free money by the end of this month. But I need to get to 2,500 subscribers. So follow those instructions and help me get these 2,500 subscribers. And also check down there in the description below. I have some other cool stuff. I have a way that you can make some money on autopilot and on a monthly basis, some regular passive income that's going to come to you on autopilot. Just set it up one time and you'll make money on autopilot. So click on that link also in the description below. All right, that's it. Please hit that like button for me. It really helps out my channel, helps my channel to stay alive, help this video to be seen more. I don't want this channel to die, so please hit that like button for me and help me get to 100 likes. If I get 100 likes, I will make a video about how to make money as a small YouTuber without ads. So I'll show you some techniques in that video on how you can make some money without any ads on your video as a small YouTuber. Somebody, one of my grind family members, dropped that in the comments, and he was just one person. So I'm like, I want to cater to all you guys. So that's why I'm asking you guys, if you want that done, if you want to see that video, hit that like button, give me to 100 likes. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help as many people I can to make money online. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today. And just drop any type of comment. Drop any type of creative comment in the comment sections below, because I might shout your name out in the next video, but you have to be creative. I haven't seen any creative ones lately, but I will start shouting everyone out that I see that is very creative in all my videos. So drop that creative comment down there. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, that's it. I'm done. Thanks again, Grind family. Thanks for your support. One more thing before I go, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now, see you in the next video. Go check out some of my other videos. Peace.